Hello darlings, welcome to my YouTube channel Vishwakvinanka. And the main motto of today's video is to teach you how to box, like how to punch. So in this video I will cover the most fundamental thing for the boxing are the punches. When you can't punch a man or the bag, you can't be a boxer. So in this video I will teach you the most basic punches, and there are 6 type of punches. So let's get to it. So there are before knowing to the punches, you have to know the 2 basic stance. Okay, there are 2 main basic stance. One is orthodox. Orthodox means you will place your left hand and your left leg on the front, and your right hand and your right leg on the back, like this. Always remember, guard up. So protect your chin and some of your abdomen, like this. Okay, like this. And the next is southpaw. Southpaw is nothing but opposite to the orthodox. Like place your right leg on the front and right hand to the front, and left hand and the left leg on the back. So in the orthodox, your right hand will be the dominant, and the southpaw, your left hand will be the dominant. Okay, like jab, straight, right hook, left hook. Okay, like so. The basic punches are 6. So 1 is jab, 2 is cross or straight, 3rd one is left hook, 4th one is right hook, 5th one is left uppercut, and 6th one is right uppercut. So the basic one is known as jab. So basically jab is nothing but your left hand. Okay, like if you are in orthodox stance, you have to use your left as your jab hand, and your right hand as your dominant hand. If you in a southpaw, you have to use your right as a jab and left as a cross or straight. So the first one is jab. So jab is basically means you have to keep your opponent in the distance. Like is there. It is a light punch. It is not that effective, but when you train this as much as you can make your jab as a weapon. So it is the fastest hand. Like so, how to hit a jab? So you have to be in a stance, like for orthodox, left in the front. So keep like this. Always remember one thing, you have to keep your guard up. So for the jab, you have to twist your body to the right, like so. I'm hitting with the left, right, so you have to use like this, left to right. So it will add the power to the punch, like that. So hit with the back, like okay. Use your left jab as a normal punch. Don't overdo with it because it can cause easily damaged. So this is the jab. For the southpaw, change your stance and hit. So keep remember one thing, always guard up, like this. When you hit a jab also, you have to hit like this, not like this. You have to hit like this. This will be guard your chin, and the left hand should be always on the chin only. Okay, and that is the jab. The next one is a straight or cross. So it is the power loaded and the dominant hand. See, I hit a jab, so I guard up. Then when I backing up this hand, it should load the power to the right, like see. So you have to twist your body. Whenever you hit with any hand, you have to turn in the opposite direction. If I hit with the left, I have to turn in the right direction. If I have to hit with the straight, I have to turn in the left direction. So if you're turning your body, it will add the power to the punch. Okay, so the straight means another hand, and you have to like this. So it will add the power to the punch. Okay, twist your body, and whenever you do straight, you have to lift the same side leg, like normally up on the toes. Okay, like that. Okay, and the next third punch is known as left hook. So basically you can hit two areas with the left hook, and it will become the most powerful punch because you have your liver at the right direction. If you hit with the left hook, it can be dangerously injured. Okay, so for the left hook, you have to do is in the direction, and you have to hit like this. Okay, see how my body was twisting. So like this, you have to bend to the left and hit with the left. Like, you have to twist your body. Okay, and for the right, you have to bend to the right and load it with the punch. So whenever you bend, you can twist your body freely. That way I'm saying bend your body and hit. Remember one thing, first we have to turn the body and hit, so it will add the power to the punch. Okay, so now see, I'm here in my orthodox stance. So this is my left. I can hit left in the head or to the body. Okay, so practice to hitting to the body, because it can be dangerously hit in the area. It will cause a serious injury. Okay, so bend, head. So left hook to the right, then bend, twist to the body. So whenever you hit with the left, you can target opponent's right side, so your ribs and the liver. So whenever you hit to the liver, it's a clear knockout. So the fourth main thing was your right hook. So this can also be hit in the body and in the head. So do one thing, like practice with bend and hit, bend and hit, bend and hit. Okay, so I suggest you to practice the right to the head, because you can hit left to the liver, and in the left side of you there is no seriously damaged organs. So practice also to the body and practice most to the head. Okay, so these are left hook and right hook. You can punch with the left and right to two areas, to the body and head. Okay, the fifth one is left uppercut. So basically these uppercuts are like this, 1 and 2. So basically this uppercut will use to hit the chin. Whenever this chin was hit, it can like, you can't imagine anything. Your eyes will roll and your legs will shake. So whenever you hit on the chin, it will be unable to get up for a long time. So always guard up to the chin. Okay, so the left uppercut is like this. Same, anything you have to bend and hit. So for the left, I'm hitting to the body. Like, if anyone like bend like this, I can hit in the abdomen. So whenever it comes, I hit. Okay, this is known as left uppercut. And the right uppercut is to this, like, okay, always guard up to your chin. Okay, I'm hitting to the body, and if anything here, like, imagine it has a head, so I can hit like this. 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 5. So these are the main 6 punches, and there's only 6 punches, and you can hit it to various areas, like shoulder, to the chest, and to the heart, to the liver, to abdomen, to ribs, anywhere you can hit on head, but never hit on the back. This is illegal to hit in the boxing. Okay, so practice in the combos, like one as jab, and second as cross, and third as left hook, fourth as right hook, fifth as left uppercut, sixth as right uppercut. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, these are the main basic boxing fundamentals are known as punches. There are 6 punches in the box. Okay, catch you in the next one.